This is Sebastian, KBØTTL. Today we're going to be updating the firmware on the new AnyTone 578 mobile. As you can see here, I have the handy-dandy instructions that came with the firmware update. And I also have my CPS here for the UV578 pulled up here. Well, let's see here. The first thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and put the radio into update mode here. So while the power is still on, we're going to go ahead and hit the exit button and the menu button and the power button. It's going to power off. Then release your fingers so that the red light begins to flash. So you'll go ahead and plug your cable in to the side of the radio. Plug your cable into the USB port. Find the appropriate port. In our case, on our video, it was port number 6, but it can be any port number detected by your computer. And once that is done, we are going to proceed to the tool menu and then to firmware upgrade. It's going to launch this handy-dandy little exe file here down at the bottom, the QX firmware update. I want to go ahead and select OK. Just whatever he needs to run, let's let him run here. Open the update file. The version I'm using is 1.03. It's a beta version for the beta unit that I'm demoing. Needless to say, the file name will be different on yours, but whatever the newest one is that you've just downloaded is what you'll be using here for this purpose. We're going to go ahead and open that. With your USB cable plugged in to your computer on one end, the other end into the side of your radio, and with COM port, whichever COM port is for your radio selected, in this case it is COM 6, we're going to go ahead and write. And wait for completion. And the write is complete. We're also going to need to go ahead and reinitialize the radio. Once the firmware is done loading here to reinitialize the radio, we're going to go ahead and start with the power turned off. With the power turned off, we're going to hold down the channel selector. We're going to hold down P2. And then we're going to push power to power the unit on. We're going to be asked the question, are you sure you want to initialize the radio? Go ahead and press the menu key to confirm the reinitialization process. Your radio will now reinitialize. Go ahead and press confirm to proceed to the menu, and you can load your code plug at this time. Thank you for watching. This is Sebastian, KBØTTL, and we hope you're enjoying your new 578 mobile from AnyTone. Be sure to like us on Facebook, and be sure to view all of our other excellent tutorial videos.